Kelly Khumalo forced to do chemical test after exposing herself in court. Subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss out on any information. In a major turn of events, popular South African singer Kelly Khumalo found herself at the center of controversy after her court appearance drew national attention. The singer, known for his powerful voice and energetic personality, was ordered to undergo a substance test following an alleged incident that saw him in court. The courtroom drama unfolded in a public hearing where Khumalo was scheduled to testify. Witnesses said Khumalo appeared agitated and acting erratically, causing concern among those present. The situation worsened when Khumalo opened the court at the darkest moment. The shocking behavior caused alarm among court officials and the audience. The presiding judge, seeking to maintain order and correct abnormal behavior, immediately ordered a substance test to determine if Khumalo was under the influence of a substance that could explain her behavior. This decision was made in accordance with the provisions of the law in order to ensure the proper conduct of the court and the welfare of all parties. Kelly Khumalo confirmed in court that she has a huge phone number for ongoing legal action. The revelations came during a high-profile murder trial over the 2014 shooting death of his friend, former Bafana goalkeeper Senzo Maiwa. Khumalo revealed this to the court in a controversial hearing at the Gauteng High Court in Johannesburg in an attempt to establish the ownership of the phone number, which is at the heart of the prosecution's case. Khumalo's involvement and interactions with other people at the scene were questioned because the number was said to be high-profile on the night of Maiwa's murder. After weeks of questioning and speculation, Khumalo was found. In response to the prosecutor's question, she answered emphatically, "Yes, this number is mine." As the news broke, the courtroom was filled with media, lawmakers, and the public in a frenzy. Prosecutors' investigation is to determine the timeline of events leading up to and after the shooting, using phone records as key evidence. Khumalo's confession that she is very connected to the important story sheds light on the confusing moments surrounding the tragedy. The assassination of Senzo Maiwa remains a controversial and emotional issue in South Africa as it has seen many delays and extraditions over the past decade. Maiwa was shot in what was initially reported as a robbery at the Khumalo family home in Vosloorus, east of Johannesburg. Despite the number of arrests, convictions are difficult and public and media attention is still intense. Despite her reputation in the South African music and entertainment world, Khumalo has always denied any involvement in Maiwa's death. The purpose of his testimony was to refute the rumors and accusations that damaged her public image. "I have nothing to hide," she said. "I'm here to help the court find the truth and get justice for Senzo." Legal experts say that the certification of the ownership of the phone numbers will have a significant impact on the case. This is an effort to verify certain aspects of the accuser's statement, which affects the credibility of the witness's testimony. However, the defense has the opportunity to examine the context and content of the statement. The next part of the trial will delve into this information again, sifting through phone calls and text messages to create a comprehensive timeline. The defense team is determined to maintain Khumalo's innocence and is prepared to challenge the interpretation of the documents to show discrepancies and alternative explanations. As the case progresses, developments in the courtroom continue to surprise South Africans. Maiwa's family continues to fight for justice and closure, while Khumalo's supporters are determined to find a resolution that clears his name. Proceedings in the Gauteng High Court in the coming weeks will help resolve the complexities of the case, as Khumalo's guilty plea represents the work that continues to be done in truth and justice in the tragic death of Senzo Maiwa.